Okay, Joe, you want to review these post-processing enhancements real quick?
Yeah, I want to go through this real quickly because we are almost out of time, and I don't want to keep people here that might have other things they want to do. So we really need to get onto the demo.
Okay.
So there's a bunch of changes that have went into the posts. We've added new post variables. Since we added rigid tapping, there's a new cycle that was implemented in the post. And then all the machine tool parameters that are now you've defined in the machine tool dialog are now transmitted to the post. So you can use that, the post processor generator can use that in any fashion it deems necessary. And then our programmable post engine also was enhanced to handle asynchronous writing, which means we can post everything and then write to a file. This is very, very useful, especially if you're writing to different format files, not just decode. In fact, we can now write to DXF files as the post processor engine. So it's very, very sophisticated now with the ability to handle asynchronous writing. And then new methods to access machining operation types. This helps us post different operations in different manners. And then enhancement to suppress the work offset code from being posted. That's also been added. And then also any toolpath error events were also added in the programmable posts. And this can trigger other things in the programmable post that the user might want to do.